Hello, good evening, everybody. We must not allow negative emotions to fester. Spirit says if you're feeling frustrated, angry, or even hurt, for example, just acknowledge these emotions instead of fighting your feelings. Go with them and work with them. Then true healing can really begin. You are being taken care of by your angels and your spirit guides and your loved ones in the heavens. They say you have plenty to be grateful for, and your friendships will work best when there's equal share of giving and receiving. They say every storm has to come to an end, and the transformation you're making is already beautiful. There's good fortune coming your way. An unexpected gift will bring you great fortune. You must move forward positive and confident in your abilities. There are situations in the balance that require careful handling, but you must start a project that is related to something that you're interested in. Don't seek anyone else's approval and bring a gentle touch. We've all had periods of frustrations. It was time for us to learn the lessons, but we must release the past now. There is more enriching future coming our way. We must let go and let God. The universe is working in our favor now, and we must beware of great pride. There is a path ahead that is illuminated. Follow your light. Release all guilt and take things slowly. That is how you will win in the end. They say you're climbing towards the ladder towards success, and you must take time out for yourself. Enjoy relaxation activities that nurture your soul. You are in your power now, and you trust in divine timing. You have a new attitude. You have to release the past now, and you will grow from the situation. Time heals all wounds. They say that you must be your own first priority and dream your own world into being. You still feel like there's forces working against you, but put your energy into the basics and let go of excess. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.